listening. Ignore the world, let the music cave in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a DMV, getting my non-driver's ID license with me today. I'm about to put on my wig, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all and tell y'all exactly what you will need to bring. Okay, so I just finished doing my hair, and I just wanted to tell you guys what you're gonna need real quick. You're gonna need your passport or your birth certificate or your green card if you're not a citizen, and then you're gonna need your social, 2 pieces of mail with your whole name and your address on it, and it cannot be later than 90 days because they will deny that. Though that's the reason why I got denied those last 2 times. I'm going back today for the 3rd time, and I hopefully it's gonna work, and hopefully I got the right mail. But yeah, so I'm waiting for my mom, and we're gonna hop in the car, and then afterwards I'm gonna tell you guys how it goes. Also, the fee for Connecticut is $28, so yeah, make sure you bring your card. My mom's not back yet. Okay, made it outside. Okay guys, so now I'm outside waiting for her to come, and I'm waiting for her to come, and then I'm gonna get right back to you guys. Okay, so she's here, and I'm gonna talk to you guys after my appointment. Peace.
Your hand seems soft.
Your hand feels soft.
I think you have any agenda this afternoon? Oh. No, I mean if.
Just so come over to beauty supply the band there.
Oh. And I want to hunt on see for fire barrel.
If you can't leave out, you can get some.
When I left from done with Ducky, I'll go in a Home Depot.
Come eat your food. When is like it's about start to clap?
I said that guy is from my country.
Hey, I have a son now. Yeah, she okay, yeah? That guy ain't easy, yeah?
He said that guy is from my country. He said, I eat there. It's the best vegan place.
It's easier for the glasses than I can send them to make it happen.
I tell you.
I put them out to that and the time.
I tell you, sometimes you have on the glasses too much. So you like you get addicted. Well, maybe she why? Maybe she can't choose. Maybe she can't choose herself.
Now put the speakers to black yaba one and me one. I have one.
Hey guys, so I'm in here, I'm waiting in line. And when you first come in, you have to talk to somebody at the door and give them your appointment number before you could get in. Okay, so you'll get a ticket number after you tell them your confirmation. After you tell them your appointment number, you will get a ticket, and it will look like this. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for my number to be called, and I'm gonna update you guys later. Hello.
I didn't see it. I did not. I don't believe it. I think Robert said he wanted. Oh my God, he did
Okay guys, I'm finally out. Time to quit. Okay guys, I think it took around 30 minutes. I got there at 3:32 and it's 3:59. But yeah, guess what guys? I'm successful this time around, thank God. I did a little prayer real quick, said God please let this be the time that I get it, and I got it, and I'm thankful. And now they said I gotta wait 8 to 10 days to get it in the mail. They gave me my temporary, and I'm gonna tell you guys everything that happens when I get home. I got through. Yeah, I was recording. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm back home and I got through today and I had a really nice lady. It was not much going on at all. She was doing a whole lot of, talking to me and being nice and laughing and whatnot. So it was cool. I had a cool lady and it wasn't even hard. She just looked at my documents, started inputting them in the computer, and then after that she made me sign, and then I paid the fee, which is $28 for Connecticut. I'm not sure about anywhere else, but after that I went to another lady to confirm the information, the lady right next to her, and then I signed again, and they gave me my temporary and said that my ID will come in the mail in 8 to 10 days. So overall went pretty well, and that was it. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Big party at the West